Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your Mac awake while downloading. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to the top left on the Apple menu and go to System Settings. Then it's going to basically open up this window. Basically from this section on the left you want to find lock screen, so click on lock screen. And from here you see all of this, so you want to say turn display off on battery when on active, never. And if you are on your power adapter you also want to set it to never. And this is just to show the screensaver, but basically these two need to be on never if you want to keep uploading or downloading stuff that takes a while, so you can go and do whatever you want, but you want to be sure that it's actually doing it, so it's not turned off. So you have to put these two on forever. In some rare cases, if this also happens in like 2 minutes, if the screensaver starts, it could potentially, I don't know, mess up the download, so you have to restart. So if you want to be 100% sure, put everything on never, but I found out that the first one is not necessary, but as I said, if you want to be sure, you can do it. So never, and potentially never. And what this does is just stops turning display off, and when the display is off, that's when Mac goes to sleep. And that's it. If you're still having some issues, let me know what's your current problem in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe.